Phoebe!
No!
Why are you fighting it?
I don't want to leave.
In the morning for an log, then
What?
you know I'm gonna be here.
No!
Yeah.
No!
You know, after everything's over, I'm gonna be right here, right next to you.
Chris, please quit. Just go.
I'll always be here, friend.
I don't want you to
For
stay
you,
here.
friend, please.
Quit.
I want to lay with you.
No!
Please.
Can't we just spoon a while?
Can't we all just get along?
Quit,
Please,
please.
sure. Why are you making it hard for us? Fern, I'm not trying to fight. Right?
Yes, you are.
I'm trying to make things
Quit.
right. I'm trying to make things right.
Quit.
Please. I just want to hear. Fern,
Quit.
please.
No.
Why?
Chris,
Please.
get away. Get away.
I just want to love you.
Get away.
Please, sure.
Get away.
Please, Phoebe.
Fuck yourself.
Please, Phoebe.
No.
I want to lay with you.
Get away.
I'll even lay on you.
No.
Shit.
Get away.
Please.
Oh my God, Mom. Tell me get
I
away.
just want to love you.
Mom.
Please, Phoebe. Give me a hug. I think Phoebe needs a hug.
Mom. Tell him to quit.
Bring it in.
No, this is like a comedy show. She can't.
Mom, tell him to quit, please.
Quit.
There, she said it.
No, really. Chris, get
You
off.
want me to quit loving
Chris,
Phoebe?
do you love me? Will you do me?
Mom, tell him to get off.
Come on, Phoebe.
Get off, Chris.
No.
Okay,
Oh.
take your feet out.
No, she said get off. She said
No,
get
really,
off.
don't.
Please, Sharon. Please, bro. Come on. Okay.
No.
Fern,
Get away.
I'm going to compromise. If you want to lay this way, I'll lay right.
No.
Please.
Get away.
Then move.
No.
Please. I took a punch in the eye for you.
Good, I'll punch you again. No, you can't lay down.
Here, I'm gonna walk back to you.
Just sit up there.
Please, Sharon.
No.
I just want to love you.
No.
Just a little.
No.
Maybe a little bit.
No.
Please.
Get away.
Sharon, come on, bro.
Quit.
Right here.
Quit. Get away.
Sharon.
Please get away.
Mr. Phoebe.
No.
You're making this hard on yourself.
I'm
Please.
gonna tell Dad.
Okay, go
No.
ahead.
No.
What's wrong with loving you,
No,
Sharon?
get off of me.
You just need some love.
Get off.
Look at you.
Get off. I'm not kidding, Chris.
Sharon, you just need some
Get
love.
off.
Sharon, you just need a little love.
Get-
Please, come here.
Freak off.
I think the honeymoon's over, man.
Come on, Sharon.
No, quit.
Please.
Don't come back
I'm
here.
gonna try this all night.
Sit up there.
Get out.
Remote control, John Q.
Please, Sharon.
No.
Please.
No.
Please, Mr. Phoebe.
No. Why? You're not leaving here. That's final.